How to save Twitch stream on mobile phones. So at first you will have to open any browser on your phone. So right now I'm opening the Chrome browser. All right. So after opening a browser, you will have to type in the source field for dashboard.twitch.tv. So after you type this on source field, you will have to hit the go button. So simply you have to search it. All right. So after you search this on the source field of Chrome browser, you'll be able to log in with your Twitch account here. So simply you have to log in from here. Like I have already logged in here. So first of all, you will have to log in here, and then from you will have to go with the three line just at the top left corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and from here you will have to go with the option settings. So simply tap on it. Okay. So again here for stream. Okay. So after this again tap on this three line. Okay, now from here you have to scroll down and find the setting like store past broadcast. So it will on the VOD settings section. So simply from here you can turn on these settings. Okay, so now we are done. So this is the process that how you can save the Twitch stream on your mobile phone. So hope this video was helpful to you. And if any queries are arises, just let me know them in comment section below. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.